Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to make a continental chicken one pot recipe with garlic and mushrooms. Even this recipe is also quick and easy. You can prepare this in 15-20 minutes. So let's get started. First let's mix all the dry ingredients to coat the chicken. For that I have taken 1 cup of plain flour, also called maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and some salt to taste. Combine all the ingredients well. I have taken half kg chicken breast, cut them into slices and dab the slices in the flour mixture. Dab out the excess flour, likewise we will keep all the slices ready. Heat oil for frying, bring the flame to medium heat. Carefully add the chicken to the pan. It will cook faster, fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken turns light golden. Flip it over and fry for 3 more minutes. Chicken is cooked perfectly and is light golden. Now transfer it to your plate. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. In this, add chopped garlic. I have taken 8 cloves of garlic. Saute it for a while. I'm adding 200 grams of mushroom. I'm getting a nice aroma. Butter, garlic and mushroom is a good combination. I've added half cup of peas, fresh peas. Add some salt and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mushroom has to cook, so saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Add half cup of chicken stock, or as an alternative you can add 1 chicken cube. The sauce is getting thick. In this stage, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream and combine all the ingredients well. Let's add the chicken. The sauce is nice and creamy. Coat it well with the sauce. Try this delicious recipe. It's really good and subtle. Sprinkle some spring onions. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.